In my kitchen, there are no borders, just stories waiting to be shared in every dish we create. Here, memories aren't carved in stone, but crafted with each slice, passed down through generations like treasured family secrets. Each cut brings me balance and strength, my ikigai. They say perfection is impossible, but in these imperfect moments, I find my path, my truth. When I hold this knife, I'm not just cooking. I'm preserving yesterday's wisdom, celebrating today's joy, and crafting tomorrow's memories. This isn't just a tool, it's centuries of craftsmanship flowing through my hands. In my kitchen, East embraces West, tradition dances with innovation, and every cut tells a story. And at the end, I share these moments with the ones I love. A simple act that turns a meal into a memory,